saw on Facebook that Neeta had passed away, I was shocked. So I tried to find a little bit more about what Neeta did after she completed graduation with us. And she was a great poetess. I don't know how many of us knew this, but I read one of her very touching poems, which she has written for her daughter and left behind a heritage for her daughter. So I would request all of you to check it out on Facebook. It's a very, very touching poem that she has written for her daughter.
शी वॉज माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड. खाली एक ही शब्द बोल सकता हूँ उसके बारे में कि बहुत ही जिंदा दिल इंसान थी और जिंदगी कूट कूट के भरी हुई थी और अच्छे से जीती थी. आई थिंक अनीता यू आर देयर विथ मी, यू नो, वी हैव इंटरैक्टेड विथ हर मल्टीपल टाइम इन GMC. शी वॉज वर्किंग हियर एज अ लेक्चरर इन फार्माकोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट. Now we move ahead with the function. I would like Armana Kabir to come down and Mateen Kagri to felicitate our respected Padam Shri Dr. T.P. Lahane with a shawl and a Srifal. Come, Armana. Sir, come here. नहीं सर, तो बाकी अभी बहुत बाकी है सर. शॉल 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 सर के पीछे डालो, पूरा शॉल खोल के सर के ऊपर.
So we would request you to speak a few words.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome all after a long journey of 25 years for the reunion. I was told by Hemant that you are going to be having the reunion on 18th. Normally on the weekend, I am always out for the camp in the winter season. But this time, because of the assembly, you know, as I am a dean and now the DMAR also, that's Dr. Shingare sir is at Nagpur, so the charge is with me. So I am in Mumbai. So I told him I am there. I am very happy to see you because I just joined that time for the kidney disease. And I was counting my last days when you were the exam going student that time. I joined in 94, appeared in 95. So I can remember few faces, not much faces. And then that time I think everybody passed. Nobody was failed in ophthalmology. Only firing is always there. So that was there because it requires for the discipline. So I welcome you all. You have seen the hall. This is hall. We have repaired this hall. And we have not changed anything. Everything is same. Whatever the wood which was broken, and this was blackened at the time of Munna Bhai MBBS. I was very, it means it was not, anybody will come and he will enter in the anatomy hall, and which was not in good condition. So all the teak wood is brought from the railway of the same age. So age of this teak wood is 150 years. So we brought it from the railway, and where the age was detected of this teak wood, from the same teak wood, it replaced here. And we have not done anything except, now this you can see the glasses also. These glasses, if they fall down, the weight of the glass is 1 gram. So nothing will happen to the student. But for the, you can say, light, we have kept that glasses there. So 67 lakhs spent on this repair, this renovation of this hall. And I think this heritage is for everybody who passed from this medical college. And I'm very happy to see you all staring, looking at your small, small photographs. They're there on the road. And I think that is our history. And whenever I go anywhere, maybe I have visited more than 120 country. And wherever I go, GM site, I think this is the spirit. I went in Philadelphia, Dr. Shah, who is from GMC, he was mayor that time. And I just came out of the airport with Asha Didi and Nana Patekar, Uddhavji. And when I was walking, then I was listening, the chanting, the people were chanting that, the chakaraka, chakaraka, chak, 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 who are we, GM side. So I thought they are from the GMC. So 11 people, they were from GMC there. So this spirit I have never seen in any medical college. This is one medical college where this spirit is. And I always feel this is the binding force. This GMC spirit is the binding force. I was asking Hemant and Rupa, who are the successful? So you are successful because I know they are with me. But who all are others are the successful people? They told me everybody is successful in our class. And I am proud of that. Because GMC means success. If you are in GMC, you are successful. But we have done, and as you know, you might be knowing that GMC today is 5th in India in the ranking. We were very long, but now we are not fighting with the KEM. We have stopped the fighting. And after that also, KEM is at the 15th place. We are at 5th place. So that is the friendship fight. But definitely GMC, the students were not coming by first choice in GMC. If you see this year, out of 200, 123 students came first choice in JJ Hospital, Grand Medical College. So it means the teaching definitely improved, the clinical material improved, and medical college, as a medical college, so much of the improvement. I want you to see, you go and meet the, you can see the statue so that you can see what changes we have made in the medical college. Another thing I want to share with you, from this year, next year, we are starting a super specialty hospital building. And this is today's sanction budget is 881 crore. So that is the budget sanction. We are going for the 38 super specialty branches, 250 nursing homes in that, 1100 beds, 200 NICU, ICU, and all other things, and 21 theaters. So this is sanctioned. This will be there at the place of pediatric and that the nurses hostel, that is Wadia nurses hostel. So there we are demolishing that both buildings, and the new will come, and this will be the 10th floor building. And we are planning to have the liver transplant, then the bone marrow transplant, then heart transplant, everything in GMC, and that will be also with very low cost or sometime free of cost. So we are going to continue catering poor patients. JJ today, the patients come 5 years before were 4,50,000. Today our OPD is 9. If you compare with the KM, today is 11 lakh, our OPD is 9 lakh. OPD was 4.5, their OPD was 13 lakh. It was a huge distance. We are near about neck to neck. Our OPD is increased. Our major surgeries are increased from 12,000 to 32,000. Our stay in the hospital, which was there 27 days, today it is decreased to 7 days. And our HMIS project, it means everything digitalization, which has helped us too much. And yesterday only we got the national award for the digitalization and the project where the computerized system examining the patients. So we got first award in India, Scotch Award. So the GMC, I think, is progressing not because of us, but because of you all. Everyone. See, this time GMC came fifth. Nothing was asked to GMC, but it was asked to the people who passed from the GMC, also from the other medical colleges, and the Times of India, even the India Today, the week, they gave us fifth rank in India. So I think even the research, because of the computerized system, our research is progressing too much. So when I joined, the publications were 5. This year our international publications were 291. International publications. National publications crossed 500. And out of that, the forward flow system of the trauma or the mass casualty management, this time they were used in the Paris also. The same system they used. It is a forward flow technique. And that is developed by the GMC. And it has appeared in 123 journals of the world. So that is what is the success in the mass casualties by GMC. It means GMC is progressing very well, and I am proud that the products of GMC are successful in the country and abroad. So I am very happy that the Hemant, who was awarded the Best Teacher Award, is an excellent teacher. Secondly, then I can say the excellent physician, excellent human being, my friend. I think such type of people are really required, and he is your batchmate. So I am also proud of him that he is an excellent person. I want to say a few words about Rupa. The Rupa, I think you might be knowing, is the very successful and excellent anesthetist. And whenever she comes to me, she is a great human being. So she is also your classmate. I am happy you have called the teachers. All can say George or Makwana or Gangne sir. So the bond is more firm in first year. The second year, third year bond, I think it is less. So this time I will ask my third year teachers also that they should have an excellent bond with the students. See, the only one person is, I advise my doctors, you take care of two things. One is patient and second is students. We are there for only two these things. And so whenever the examination is on, I tell my examiners that you have not taught them, so they will not answer in the examination. If you will teach them, they will answer in the examination. So whenever you are passing them, you are passing your performance. So this performance of the teacher is important. And if you are failing them, you have failed. So you try to pass the students. So in practical, there is a zero failure. Theory, it is not in my hand. But in last 6 years, in practical, zero failure. Every student passes in the practical. And results of the GMC is near about 99, 98 or like that. If it is less than that, then I will ask the teacher why students are failing. So I think I am very happy that GMC is progressing. I welcome you all. He has told me that what enjoyments you are going to have today, tomorrow. So I wish you best of luck. And I again invite you to see GMC and whatever, your spirit keeping us live and helping us to work. So my best wishes and thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir. Hello.
I would request Sangeeta Dake and Vinod Jadhav to come down to felicitate Dr. Gangne with shawl and Shrifal.
Gangne sir, few words.
Hello.
I would request Vikas Rathod to escort sir to his chamber with love and affection. Come. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. Sir is very busy. He left his operation theater for us and he's come here. I think one chakaraka goes to sir. Chakaraka, chakaraka, chak, chak, chak. Makaraka, makaraka, mak, mak, mak. Who are we? GM sides. Who are we? Thank you, sir. Sorry, sir.
It's okay. Fine. A very good morning to all of you. Ladies and gentlemen,